All right, so I wanted to give you guys a quick little follow-up of the install. It's pretty easy. There is no instructions, unfortunately, included, but pretty much just match up everything with what it looks like it is. These were a little tricky for me. These you have to, they're like a little puzzle piece, so it goes like the big part and then a little corner bit, and this overlaps on top of it. This one was pretty easy, pretty self-explanatory. It's just that same little puzzle piece type thing and a little strip. I cut some of this. I had 2 extra pieces. I had an extra long piece like this, and I had 2 strips of these. I don't know what this goes to, or these little 2 pieces. I don't know what those go to, but I cut up the little pieces and a little exposed white where there was some original seal. I just cut them up, put them there. I'll let you know how it works out, if there's any leaks or anything, but just bringing over everything. Looks pretty decent. Did as best as I could. Same thing here. For larger pieces, I cut up a little bit for here and here. This piece, I had to do a little bit of trimming. I pulled off this little bit overhangs on the weather stripping, and I ripped up a little bit too much, so I cut up a little bit of the extra piece. You guys can see there's a little split between those 2 pieces. I cut it up at a little angle and taped it on there. This one was a little bit trickier because there's weather stripping, so you just want to be careful. Like this one over here, you guys can see it goes on weather stripping, so just make sure you adhere to it, that you don't destroy the weather stripping. And same thing, there's no stripping on this piece. Same thing here, cut a little bit extra of that little slim rectangular piece. But yeah, I thought it came out pretty good. Like I said, I'll let you guys know down in the comments or in the description how it holds up in a few months with the rain. But I was leaking a lot, or not a lot, but a pretty decent amount. Like I said, right there I cut, right there I cut, and then that piece there. So it came out pretty good, I think. I'll also show you guys where I was having leaks. This is where mostly my leaks were, up where the hard top and the freedom panel meets in this corner by the door sill. There wasn't good seal there. Time you break, go drip all on the door panel here. That's why it's kind of discolored a little bit. But that's where it leaked, both sides. Again, on top, didn't have any leakage here, and I think I was good here. There's a little bit of seal here. That's all right. I'll just go to the other side real quick. Same thing. Same thing up front was pretty good. The back, I had some leakage as well. But yeah, now I just got a little bit leak when it rains here. Leaks down over here. Hopefully these seals fix that, but floor is always wet here. Like I said, I leaked somewhere down here, so hopefully that gets resolved with these new seals. If not, I'm gonna have to do a little bit of bigger digging. I mean, these seem fine to me, so yeah. If you guys have any questions, let me know down in the comments below. I'll update you guys on how the seals are in a few months. So just to follow up with what I was saying, where I was getting my leaks, looks like it seals up pretty well, just from what I can see visually. This is the front seal here, and this is the back seal. This is where I was getting my leaks from. As you guys can see, the seal is a little off, but shouldn't be a big deal, and it definitely looks like it seals a lot better. Like I said, if I could just pull this down, this seal is completely flat and mushed, so I think it will seal up pretty well. Like I said, I'll update you guys in a little bit. I can go show you the other side as well. The other side is the same scenario. Same thing. This one lined up a little bit better. I'll focus a little bit. Yeah, it's a little bit better. Same thing, it's a little bit over, but looks like it seals up pretty well. Shouldn't be getting any more leaks. Same thing with the front. This is a little folded because I've been putting on my top on top of this, so it folded the seal a little bit, but it's pretty decent. So like I said, I'll let you guys know in a few months how it holds up. Thank you for watching.